Guys, welcome to week 5. So, what I wanted to tell you for this week is that you're going to be focused on a singular assignment. You got started on it last week on Friday when you had to do the brainstorm for your personal statement. And that was just to kind of get you thinking about you and your life experiences up to this point. And then this week, you're actually going to choose an event that you feel like it has made you who you are, it has defined you, it stands out to you in some way as the most impactful. And so this week you guys are going to be doing a compare contrast of some sample personal statements. I have some personal statements from a law school that is posted online, and the reason I use that and not our own student ones is because some of you guys feel open enough to write about some very personal issues, and I don't want to betray the trust that you're putting within me. So I certainly don't use yours as examples for other students to see. So I just want you to know that and be comfortable with whatever you write, that I won't be sharing it with anybody. And so you're going to compare and contrast a few different, I want you to read them all. I think there are 5 or 6. You're going to choose 2 to compare to each other, and you're going to talk about what they did in the beginning to grab the reader's attention, how they developed their essay, which was better at certain things, and then how they conclude their essay. And I want you guys to use those. These are ones that stood out to the law school as great and as wanting to let them in. And so I want you guys to try to see what they do to make them stand out. And so then the rest of this week, you're going to be focusing on writing your own personal statement. So again, from that brainstorm you did last week, what are some of the things in your life that stand out to you the most, that you feel like have developed your character the most, that have made you into the person you are today, and how that's going to make you into an even better person in the future. And so this week, when you're working on that, it's not due until next week on Tuesday because we have the 4-day weekend. But you can earn extra credit this week by turning it into me a little at a time. If you want to turn your introduction in on Tuesday, you'll get some extra credit, and I'll also look over your introduction and provide feedback to you. If you want to turn your body paragraphs into me on Wednesday, you'll get extra credit because you're turning it in to get some feedback, and then again I'll also provide that feedback to you about where you can improve, maybe some transitions that are missing or something like that. And finally, you can turn your conclusion in on Thursday for a little extra credit and some extra feedback. That feedback may not come right exactly on that day, but I will certainly do my best to get it to you as soon as possible so that you can get your final draft refined over the weekend and get it turned into me on Tuesday. Again, we have a 4-day weekend. So for this week, just as you're writing your personal statement, I want you guys to keep in mind that we all need to find our greatness. And you all have something within you that is great. Even if you haven't fully developed it, we've all done things in our lives that are great and that others view as great. And so I want you to keep in mind that you have that within you, and that is something I want you to focus on as you're writing. Okay? So I hope you guys have a great week in class on Monday. I hope you can attend. We'll be going over that compare contrast and we'll do that assignment. And if you have any questions, please come see me in room 201. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day and an awesome 4-day weekend, and I'll see you guys sometime this week. Bye.